Professor McFarland?
Yes, what is it?
And my name is Ellison. This is Harry Jarvis. We're from the Morning Chronicle. I wonder if we could come in for a minute.
Well, I am rather busy.
Now he's going to move like right along to McGregor. That's his whole life. You know.
Good to see you, dear.
You look great. Where are you stationed?
I haven't gotten around to giving a straight answer to that one in 4 months. But with your clearance, you know already. I'm exec of Ecomcon, Jiggs.
Ecomcon?
Yeah. Site Y.
Don't blame me for your orders. Come on in. Mac?
Why do you...
The grand prize
Trooper in their dealings with addressed envelope to Davis and Kirk.
Write down that
Piece.
Whenever dishwasher dryer set from ammonia. And the unknown number 5, a brand new car! And in the news, the president met with the Council of Economic Advisors today and told them that the dollar interest rate that the $100 is stopping at the old stock market and the stock and the bond in the New York City. And
Obviously.
Going to work.
They really aren't.
Thanks very much, Mr. Clark.
Aren't you two forgetting something?
Well, you build in.
Skull and jaw from
robbed the people.
good. That is it.
What about it from my doctor?
This.
Did you?
It's a.
I mean,
All right. Well, longer than.
I want.
Help it.
Stop.
It's.
All right.
Near. Twitter.
Five. Bill Gross.
Exactly.
Question. Is water?
Please.
Here and supposed to. This friend.
How's late? And I.
Ready for it.
One 866-707. Remember one time I got my.
And speak to a lawyer in your area. The time you have to file your.
How to get oh, man. TV won't work. Call.
No. I really yeah, that's part of thing.